Okay, that was just my Oreo crumbs and my melted butter on my sheet pan, and we are just crushing up those crumbs just a little bit so that we can make a yummy Oreo crust on our sheet pan. Okay, that looks absolutely perfect. A nice Oreo crust. Now we're coming in with 2 cans of our sweetened condensed milk, and we are going to pour that right on top of our Oreo crust for this super easy dessert. It's just a couple ingredients. It's super simple and super yummy. And we are just making sure that we get these whole 2 cans fully emptied. I do have a spatula that I'm gonna bring in to make sure that we get all of this out. And we're just kind of making sure that it fills up our pan. It doesn't need to be perfectly from the edge to edge, but we don't want any big empty, holes in our pan. Okay, and don't worry, like I said, it doesn't need to be from edge to edge. It will spread in the oven. But now we're gonna come in with our semi-sweet chocolate chips, and we are sprinkling these right on top of that condensed milk and those Oreos. Now this is a twist on a classic dessert. If you can kind of tell what it is already, leave it in the comments, but this is gonna be absolutely delicious. And we are gonna use this whole bag of chocolate chips because we love chocolate in this house.
It smells so good.
Oh yes. Now we're coming in with our butterscotch chips. Oh yeah, all the chips. If you don't like butterscotch chips, you can use the Reese's chips, but I love butterscotch personally, so we are just going for it. And this is gonna be absolutely delicious. All of these chips are just gonna get nice and melty. That condensed milk is gonna caramelize and spread and thicken up, and it's gonna be a delicious, delightful bite. All right, that whole bag of our butterscotch morsels. And you guys probably could have guessed this one's coming. We have our white candy morsels, and we're gonna do our whole bag of these. I wish you guys could smell this right now. This smells absolutely incredible. Now this is a sweet treat for indulging. If you love sweet treats like me, this is for you. It is great to bring to a potluck, to give to your neighbors, to make for a holiday. Whatever you make this for, it is gonna be a crowd pleaser. And I did save some of those Oreo crumbs, and I'm just gonna sprinkle those on top as well. This is optional. I know it's probably already Oreo filled, but I just love the extra crunch of the Oreos on top, and it kind of just brings the whole dish together so that it is fully united in our Oreos. But we're just sprinkling a little bit. I did get that large bag of Oreo crumbs from Smart & Final, but obviously you can just crush your own Oreos, but I like things easy, and if you've been following me for a while, you know that easy is my way. All right, I think that's plenty. We don't need to go too crazy. The only thing this is missing is some color. And I have my M&Ms. And like I mentioned, if you want to do this for the holidays, you could do a holiday M&M on top, but we are just doing this for fun. And I recently heard that they are getting rid of some of the M&M colors. They're gonna get rid of the blue and the brown M&Ms because they don't have a dye for that, which I think is absolutely ridiculous because isn't brown the color of chocolate? Can't they just use chocolate to dye these? But anyways, that doesn't really matter. We're just using what we have, and if it has a little bit of food coloring in it, what's a little food coloring when you're eating this much sugar anyways? All right, I think that looks perfect. And now this is ready to go into the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for 45 minutes. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
All right, we took this out of the oven after 45 minutes, and then we let it cool for 1 whole hour. Oh, but it is time to give this a try. I think I'm gonna go for this corner piece right here because I love a corner piece. Woo! Look at that. All right, this is our 7-layer bars, but made with Oreos instead of graham crackers. I mean, which makes it better, right?
Oh yeah, totally.
I'm so excited.
Is it good?
Wow. This is absolutely phenomenal. You guys are gonna love these.